Hi there, welcome to Good Fruit Garden. So today I wanted to put another quick tip video together for you. This one I wanted to focus on soil. This one is near and dear to my heart because of the failure that I had last summer when I was gardening. So last year I planted everything in bagged soil. One of the things that I didn't realize is the amount of pests that come out of bagged soil. They automatically have fungus gnats, beetles, flies. You're contending with pests as soon as you plant your little tender babies in the soil, and they don't really stand a chance. You're going to be dealing with immature root structures because your fungus gnats larvae actually feast on the roots of plants. So then your roots can't get mature, so your plant won't be mature. So what I did is found a company here in Phoenix. I'll put the information down below for you. They sell soil in bulk by the yard. 1 yard covers 27 cubic feet. So just to give you an example, my husband and I bought 2 yards of this soil. It covered this large bed that you see behind me here, which is 12 feet long by 2 feet high and 3 feet wide. So, and then it also filled in another small bed that I have up front, which is 4 by 3 by 1. So this soil my plants have thrived in. I did not deal with a lot of pests within this soil. It did have a little bit of ants in it, but ants aren't necessarily bad for your garden because they do help aerate the soil. So it was definitely a better option for me, and it was more cost effective. If I would have filled these beds with bagged soil, I would have spent almost twice as much than I did at buying this soil in bulk. So not only did I get a better product for my plants to thrive in, it was also more cost effective. I did have to drive a bit of a ways to pick it up, but it was well worth it in the end, and I'm completely satisfied. So the information is again right here on the screen for you. If you are interested in checking them out, you can go pick it up, and I believe they do also deliver. And for those of you who might not be in Arizona, still try to go online and find a company where you can buy your local compost, local gardening soil, local organic soil from a company around you. All states and cities do have and offer this service. Your plants will thank you for it, and you'll be happier in the end because you'll be harvesting more fruits and vegetables, which is the whole purpose of us doing this, right? If you have found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share. Click on that notification bell if you guys want to see more videos like this, and I will see you next time. May your life and your garden produce good fruit.